She had the cargo pants with the side. Bad little joint used to slide.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be reviewing the Outre Perfect Hairline Linette in the color Chocolate Swirl. This is what the stock card looks like on the inside and on the back. This is what she looks like right out of the pack. It's just a really pretty chocolate brown color. This is the lace. She has 2 combs in the temple, 1 elastic band, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps. And this is just what the lace looks like up against my skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on. This wig fit pretty snug. I wouldn't say that it's big head friendly, but it fit like ear to ear, and I think I had like a little bit of extra lace that went over my ear. So I feel like if you do have like a head that's a little bit bigger than mine, you could make it work because there's plenty of lace. I did want to show you guys what it looked like right out of the box, just in case you wanted to wear it like in a middle part or a side part. It's not evenly cut all the way around. It is shorter in the back and longer on the front. I didn't realize that until I put it in the half up, half down, but I wanted to let you guys know that it's not like a blunt cut straight across. So if you're looking for that, you'll just have to cut the ends to just make it even along your head. So to start on my half up, half down, I already separated the back half from the front half for my ponytails. And I haven't laid the lace, but I wanted to show you guys that I did cut the lace off and I separated the baby hairs that I was going to be leaving out. Then I'm going to go in with my Got To Be and just spray that in between the baby hairs and where the front of the wig starts. And I'm just going to blow dry that until it's tacky. Once that's just about dry, I'm going to put my elastic band right there in that same area where I sprayed at, and I'm just gonna leave that to help melt the lace even more, just to keep it, you know, stuck on my head while I kind of manipulate the ponytail and get it kind of out of the way and get the hairs smoothed down. I'm gonna go in with my wax stick and my curling wand to get any of those flyaways and to kind of smooth out any lumps. And I like to do my baby hairs before I do the ponytail for the half up, half down. This just makes it easier for me to keep the ponytail for the half up, half down looking neat. If I do the baby hairs after, I risk potentially messing up the half up part of my half up, half down. So I do them before, that way they're already melted and laying and ready. Once I take my scarf off, I'll be done, you know, with my hairstyle. So initially I wanted to do a top knot on the top half of this hairstyle, but I ended up not liking it as much as I thought I would. So I just took it down and did like a regular half up, half down. But I wanted to leave that part in there just to show you guys how to get it if you did want that style as well. But like I said, I didn't end up liking that, so I just took it down and flat ironed that portion of my hair. And I didn't like how flat it was laying with just the hair sitting on top of my head, so I did take some hair from the back section to wrap that around my ponytail, and my sister helped me with that. So if you see my ponytail sticking straight up in the air, that was her holding it for me. It's always nice to, you know, have a little teamwork when you do your hair because your arms are tired. So I'll just go through those steps, and then I'll go off camera and do my makeup and change my outfit and show you guys the final look. So you guys, this is the final look. I absolutely love this chocolate brown color, just even all around. The hair was very soft and manageable. Like I said earlier in the video, it's not a blunt cut all the way around, which is what I was expecting, but that's okay because you can always just cut it bluntly yourself. If not, of course, if you don't want to do like the half up, half down, when you wear it in the middle or on the side, it'll still look fine. You don't have to cut it at all. This wig was super easy to install. I didn't experience any tangling, and it was very minimal shedding as well. I definitely will purchase this unit again. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thank you so much, Ebonyline, for sending me this unit to review. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.